Welcome back to our channel. Question 2 is about heats. Okay, look at the first question, A1 first. Okay, so that the average rate at which thermal energy is transferred to the ice is 3 watts. Okay, ice. So look at the ice. Okay, so what is given? It's given 2100 specific heat capacity. So talk about the time when it is rising up. So it rises about 10 degrees Celsius in how many minutes? Look here, 4 minutes, okay? So we have the equation, right? So A1 is, got it, okay, PT equals MC delta T. So the average power is M, okay? 35 grams, so 0.035. C is at 2100. Delta T is 10 degrees Celsius. The time, remember, change it to seconds, so 4 times 60. Okay, remember to calculate the more accurate one because it's a song question. So note that. Got it, well done. So it is 3.06, right? So it's a 3.06, approximately 3 watts. Okay, next step. Okay, estimate the specific latent heat of fusion of the ice. So how long does it take for fully melting? Look at here, the time end here, and it is 64 minutes. So it takes 60 minutes to completely melt the ice. So PT equals ml. So what is LF? Okay, LF. Okay, so you find out PTP is 3, time is 60 minutes. It means 60 times 60 seconds. And the mass, R is still the ice, right? Melting is the ice. So 0.035 grams. Got that? Well done, you got it. So it's a 3.1 times 10 to the power 5 joule per kilogram. So you should have a little bit memory. Okay, it should be 3.34, right? The real one. So very similar. So next one is part B. Part B said that between 4 minutes and 64 minutes, ice and liquid coexist as 0 degrees Celsius. You want to compare and contrast the internal energy. Okay, so we're going to go here. Yes. So we have to find out the internal energy. Contrast, compare, maybe they have the same, okay, of equal mass of ice and water. So we talk about same temperature, ice and water. What is the difference or the same about their internal energy? So you say first the same temperature. So they have the same molecular. Remember, say molecular, okay, molecular Ke or kinetic energy. Okay, and then because the ice is in a solid state, remember, fairly simple thing you still need to say ice is in a solid state. So while water is in a liquid state. So water has a larger latent heat, so water higher latent heat or molecular potential energy, you can say. Or you can say molecular potential energy is higher. And then altogether the internal energy, okay, is the summation or the sum of them. So you still need to say it, okay? Although you say it is all everyone knows it, so you still need to write down clearly. Internal E is EK plus EP. So water higher. Has a higher internal energy. Now you will find out we just have a 2 marks, okay? But we need to write the details because it's great chirp stuff, right? So remember, write it as detailed as possible. You can imagine it is you're talking this physics stuff with a Chinese teacher. So you have to say it in details, make sure everyone know it. You got it? See you.